awareness or this experience at this moment coming from the real self. Patanjali says, Tada drashtu swarupe avasthanam. In that state, the real self reveals itself in the mind. Means the mind reflects the real self. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, on the left hand. Lift your both the palms, place it on your eyes, open the eyes inside, know your experiences, bring the hands down. We'll share our experiences. How are you, Anastasia?
Thank you. I'm fine. It was very deep and calm. That's all.
Very good. Do you still love Oleg after this session?
No, I am having attachment to him, I'm pretty sure. Because I still don't know what is real love. I'm looking for it. But I take it easy. I mean, my attachments to my mother, to
That
my
is the sign
fiance.
of progress. You take it easy, that is the sign of progress, and you are losing hold of that emotional dependence. But the first answer, the first question is not so clear. No, I don't love Oleg. Why you don't love it? I love everyone because I am everyone. Because
I'm trying. I'm learning to be a mango.
yeah. Try. How are you, Stephen?
I'm good. That was a very deep, quiet, calm meditation. It was filled with nothing. Again, there was just complete nothingness. I did notice a heaviness to my body, and I was extremely cold during the meditation. So
Yes. These changes will take place, a variety of experiences. And ultimately, we are settled into the real self. How are you, Rakesh?
So thank you very much for explaining the song of Shankaracharya. Uh, the meditation was very revealing, uh, and I realized that if I'm all pervading, then everything is within me. Nothing can be outside me. If nothing can be outside me, then there is nothing anyone else or anything else. There is only one. Everything is within, so there is no two things.
Yes.
No two things, no jealousy, no hatred, no love, nothing. And
And
in those moments, I I expanded inside,
Yeah,
and
good.
that expansion was very, very, very infinite, and something started rotating.
That's really good.
That was
When we experience that state, that is one point is very good. We all, when there is only one reality, when the mind says there are many, we should become aware. We should instantly become aware. You see, Oleg, and you see there is no two, there is only one, then the real love. I love Oleg more than you love. What will happen? How are you, Sam? I saw Sam was noting down a lot of things. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Um, I just noticed an overwhelming sense of peace,
Good.
and that peace, definitely felt it on Saturday after the meditation. And I can say again that it's definitely permeating throughout the day. Um,
Oh,
very peaceful.
very peaceful. That's wonderful. Beautiful way to put overwhelming peace. Normally, we use the word overwhelm in a negative sense. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. You don't talk to me. No, continue talking to me. I'm overwhelmed with the peace. So you see that thought contains the knowledge. I just picked up one in reference to this poetry. How are you, Samir?
Her mind totally dropped and nothing was there, darkness, just listening to your voice. And I was very happy to sing that song with you, which you were singing Shivoham Shivoham,
Hmm,
which when you were in India, it was in a cassette and it was used to, we used to sing it many times.
good. That's good. Sense of emptiness also shows a deeper state. So, aham nirvikalpo nirakar rupo. I am without shape in the size, like the infinite space. Aham nirvikalpo nirakar rupo. Vibhatuvacha sarvatra sarvendriyanam, pervading everywhere, all pervading, eternal, imminent. Then who am I? I am the real self, pure consciousness. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you.